Now, one of the most common places for fires in the home happens in the kitchen. So what do we do to prevent fires at home in the kitchen? Well, we are here with Mike Horton from Innohome, and tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing, specifically relating to kitchens, in fact.
Well, we concentrate on kitchen fire safety, and our product, which has won a lot of innovation prizes, monitors the cooker hob, the activities on the cooker hob. So if it detects an unusual rate of rise of temperature or a higher maximum temperature on the cooker hob, it first sounds an alert, and then if nobody does anything about it, it will send a radio signal and turn the cooker off.
Well,
it prevents fires.
I mean, that's brilliant, because I'm sure we've all done it, haven't we? We've all accidentally left the oven on or walked past the oven and the gas goes on by mistake and you don't notice. And unfortunately, hopefully you notice it before a fire happens, but in some cases I'm sure that's not the case.
That's right, and it's proving very popular for all cooker users, so it's got a wide market. In particular at the moment, university student kitchens are fitting these devices because the students come home from the bar, put something on the cooker, go back to their room and forget about it. So it has a wide marketplace.
Is fantastic. Yeah, I'm sure there are a lot of university students nodding their heads in agreement there that they might have done that before. Now, how easy is it to fit something like that? Because I suppose the important thing is that it doesn't cost a huge amount and it's quite quick and easy to actually implement.
It's very low cost. It takes an electrician to install it less than 1 hour. Very simple. We've designed it to be simple. Not only does it monitor the cooker hob, but it listens to other detectors like carbon monoxide and gas detectors, and if it hears those, it will also turn the cooker on.
Now, I can see behind, we've got a bit of a demonstration going on. Can we take a little peek here? We've got a screen with it in action. Do you want to talk us through what's going on here?
That is the sensor, which is mounted on a cooker hood or on the wall behind the hob, and it's measuring the rate of rise of temperature, as you can see here. So if it detects the fire, it sounds an alarm. If you don't do anything, it automatically sends a radio signal and will turn the cooker off. So it prevents fires. That's the whole idea about it. It's quite low cost as well.
Now, a question though, how does this little gadget know when you're actually cooking and it hasn't just gone off by mistake?
But it doesn't have to know, it's monitoring the heat. If there's no heat, no risk of a fire, then it won't take any action at all. If you want me to, I can show you an example here.
We love an example, absolutely, yes, please. And here we have.
So if we say that this red light is the ring on a hob, this is the sensor, which is mounted on the cooker hob. So if I just short circuit to show you, if you point it at the red light, it goes off. So it's sounded the alert, it's picked up the high temperature, and it's turned it off. And then I can switch it back on, it's come back on again. So it's pretty simple.
That is absolutely fantastic. And as you can see here behind, you're saying that cookers cause 50% of fires in home. So you don't want that fire alarm to go off, do you? You want to beat it at the cause of the problem before it's almost too late.
Absolutely. And it supports vulnerable people in their homes. So older people can stay in their homes much longer, be more independent.
And how much does one of these cost?
Retail, it's about £300.
But that is for life? I mean, how, obviously you...
10 years battery life on it.
So 10 years. And does it come with a guarantee?
Yes. 2 years, and you can see it's got different colour sensors to match your kitchen decor.
Well, the design is obviously very important as well, because you do want a nice subtle switch. You don't want anything standing out too much.
And it meets the new EU standard, which came out this year as well. So it fits in very, very well.
Well, if you do want to find out anything more about this incredible piece of gadgetry for your kitchen and on your hob, make sure you come down and have a chat with the guys here in Innohome. Thank you so much.
Thank you for that.
Thanks.